anybody, ain't it funny how the honey wanted you?